Hey everyone, this is Matt from Bronco Nation. We're out here today in Moab, Utah, sunny Moab, beautiful weather. And I'm here with Ryan, who's a tech from ARB, and he's gonna be walking us around this awesome vehicle that we have behind us. So Ryan, you go take it away. Let's jump on in.
So our Bronco came in Velocity Blue. Of course, we put all of our ARB badging and wrap. Now down here we have the frame mounted ARB rock sliders that also feature ridges for added strength, and there's also a jacking point for a high lift or our ARB jack. So this Bronco is the Sasquatch Package. We decided to add a full range of accessories. Some are on it now, some are coming in the future. But as of now, we have our front bumper. We worked closely with Ford in designing this one. It has a built-in light bar, recovery points, and it works with the parking sensors. It's all frame mounted and airbag compliant. We do plan on offering our standard winch bar that you see across all the other platforms that we make product for. So under the hood, we have our Arb Twin Compressor. Let me pop that open and you guys can take a look. So right over here is our twin compressor. It uses factory mounting positions. It's located right under the ECU, and it's hidden out of the way, but there's plenty of access to keep the compressor cool, and also it has a remote chuck that you can attach your hose to. So our ARB rear bumper features also jack points, recovery points, and it works with the factory tire carrier. The slot at the bottom is big enough to clear a 37-inch tire. And inside here, we have our roller drawer, roller floor kit, along with our fridge and jack. So I'll show you that. So ARB drawer adds a ton of space to your rig. In here we keep our jack base inflation case that allows us to air up and down along with other gear. We've got our fridge, jack mount that uses existing holes to keep your jack secure and upright. We also have our tread recovery boards, recovery case here, and the nice thing about this is the top slides out so you can access your fridge. So going back to the rear bumper, we have parking sensor holes, and it also works with the factory hitch, and it maintains the hitch plug. So down here we have our rear diff cover in the ARB red. This Sasquatch edition came with lockers, so it does not feature ours, but we have lockers ready to go for this rig and all the other Broncos that will be released. So it's using the factory Sasquatch suspension. We do plan on offering our range of nitro chargers and BP51 suspension, and along with different spring options to match load capacities that you may want to do. So our Bronco features the marine grade vinyl and the 8-inch screen. Since it is a Badlands edition, it has the orange accents that you see. Now up here on the dash, we have our Lynx vehicle interface system. It essentially controls all your aftermarket accessories in your vehicle, from lights, lockers, compressor, fridge. We can connect this to our fridge and control its temperature, set a lock, while also being able to connect our air hose to the tire, punch in the pressure that you want air up to or air down to, and it'll do that on its own. You don't have to worry about standing there, removing a valve core, or holding the valve on your inflator. So even though we have our rear drawer installed in the back, that doesn't get rid of all your cargo area. So this rear seat still retains. Since it's a Badlands edition, it has the integrated MOLLE behind the front and driver and passenger seats, while also featuring the charging ports, both AC and USB-A, USB-C, along with the standard window buttons. We're also working on a full range of other products, such as our base rack, a full suspension system, whether it be both nitro chargers and BP51s, along with lockers front and rear, and everything else that you can think of ARB. Like I mentioned earlier, full ARB winch bumper. So we expect everything to be ready upon Bronco release. So as soon as you drive it off the lot, you can go to your, get it built by your local dealer or visit your local off-road shop, and you'll have a full range of ARB product to choose from. You can find out more information at www.arbusa.com.